How about some tacos? This one's a little guy, but it just happened to walk in my net, so I don't want him to freak out and get stuck. So this island here is pretty much similar to the one that I did yesterday. Just a small little clump of mangrove trees just all on its own inside the flats, but it runs fairly close to a main channel, so it gets a lot of current. That's the major part of it, is that current, because that current is what's also going to dig out those trenches on that side that current is hitting one way or the other. And then on top of that, all the fish swimming in there, it digs up those holes, and then that provides the cover for these lobsters, versus out on the Atlantic or the Gulf side where they've got the actual crevices to hide under. Here the mangroves is the structure, because on the flats it's really nothing but sand or hard packed dirt and weeds, so they need holes to kind of burrow in. So what they do is they get along these mangroves and find a patch to back into, and they just pretty much sit there until nighttime when they can go out and forage. So that's the key thing. This one here is loaded up with a lot of keeper size ones versus the other one, but this island's a little bit bigger. The cut side was not as deep, but like I said, there's a lot more in there in regards to bigger ones, so could easily fill up. Challenge here though right now with a little bit of a lower tide is packed full of mangroves, snappers, and grunts all alongside those mangroves. So when I push in there, they go crazy and it kicks up all that mud. And trying to film with this net and trying to jam that in there doesn't help, because you hit those roots and then all that dust falls off. But I'm gonna head over to my primary grocery store spot and see how that's handling in the first couple of days, if anybody's hit it or not, and then probably pick up one for the tacos. Hola, mi amigos, ¿cómo está? Hoy voy a hacer tacos de langosta. Well, the tacos are done. Yay! One of my favorite ways of having lobster. Just like the steak and lobster, lobster waffles, lobster pizza. And then this guy. Still buttery. Got that little Old Bay ting to it. And then all the fresh toppings there. Beautiful. I added just some black beans out of the can. And I had a nice black moldy plantain, so I fried that up and got these guys. That's just like dessert. Nice and sugary. So, hope you like my tacos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.